Our chariot has arrived. Actually, Kittipong has been here for a few minutes. We were late until we told him 8:30, and he's about almost 8:40, 8:35. So we've got some things to check out today.
Good morning.
Good morning, Kittipong. Welcome to you. The Similon Islands, the tour company dropped off somebody in a nearby hotel, and we passed this temple, and it's Wat Kom Nai Ket, and they have some statues over here with another type of temple shrine. And I'm going to step out into the sun here. So this is right on the edge of a road. Kittipong has stopped for us at Bangsak Beach, and he explained that this is more of a local beach, and there's all kinds of nice little places and restaurants. I think you can probably see those further down. We just passed them. But have a look at this, how calm and beautiful the Andaman Sea is here. I know, it's not like this all the time. The advantages of having a local guide. I'm doing a screen record as well with my other phone. Of the Google Maps location, and I'm willing to bet that this road isn't even on Google Maps. I think he wants us to meet his wife. And this is where she works. This is a...
You working?
She's working.
Yep.
We never did meet his wife. She was with a client doing a massage there on the beach. So until the next time.
Aí na frente aqui. Frente da máquina. Aqui. I don't know what else to say, just watch. So pretty.
Hotel. It's Bangsak Bay.
Bangsak Bay,
Yeah, and another bay, Kukak Bay.
Kukak Bay.
Yeah, and another bay, right side, the Nam Kem Bay.
Nam King
We
Bay.
go to later. Next we go to Nam Kem Bay.
That's where we're going next?
Yeah.
Okay. Has brought us to the Takuapa market and bus station, and this part here is the seafood area. We just came in. He spied a shark as we were passing over there where those other cars are, so hopefully we'll make it back around there. He said there was a small shark and some poultry. Spices. This looks like pork and some liver. Here we got some pineapples. More fresh vegetables. Spinach. Some cucumbers. Bok choy. It's a pretty large market. Bananas, and there's some squash. More pineapples. They might have flags here of Thailand. And there's more like clothing places. Oh, look. Perfect.
Our journey then took us inland, past Romani hot springs, several elephant parks, toward Khao National Park and Surat Thani province. Kittapong explained that during COVID, he secluded himself in this area.
From Europe, people when they rent the car, driving very fun.
So we've stopped at the Khao viewpoint, and I did a Google Maps screen as we pulled in.
Who doesn't love a curvy road, especially when it runs through lush forest and limestone peaks? The main road leading into Khao National Park is lined with places to stay and small little restaurants, basically anything you need.
All of the different places to stay and little restaurants. Just drove up to the national park entrance for Khao, and Kittapong says that if you wanted to go up and hike in the national park, it's a 200 baht fee. And I'll get some footage on the way back out of the all the youth hostels and the kind of things that are available. There's a nice little river
Thank you for watching. This was just the morning. If you'd like to see what a Chinese temple, Ban Nam Ken Memorial Park, and a rubber tree plantation look like, please click on this tab.